This video has been sponsored by one of my absolute fave software providers, GoProposal. If you're an accountant or bookkeeper with your own practice, you absolutely should be using GoProposal to price and quote your clients. GoProposal is the best quoting software that exists. Don't believe me? Click on the link in the description and give it a go for free. You won't look back. Join the GoProposal community and start earning the money you deserve. Back to the video. It's 2022. Paper should not be a thing. In this video, I'm going to talk about improving your firm's productivity and efficiency. So many firms lose time and therefore money by being inefficient, and they don't even realise it. I pride myself on having a super efficient business. I am absolutely not here for losing time on anything. Nope. I actively look for ways to save time on literally everything that we do. So because I'm nice, I'm going to give you some tips so that you can do the same. Number 1, stop internal emails. I see this all the time. Companies emailing each other requesting something to be done. Madness. It's so easy for the task to be missed or forgotten, or worse, the person receiving the email then has to write it on a to-do list or set up a task. Take this step out. If you have a team, use one method of communication such as Teams. Don't send emails to each other asking for something to be done. Just set up a task on your CRM or workflow and allocate it to the person. Every single thing we do in the business, whether internal or for clients, has a task for it on our system, which we use Pixie. If we just want to chat about something, it's Teams. No WhatsApp groups where every single person has to get a notification, has to read them. It's so annoying. Keep everything in one place. Number 2, break down each task you do into mini steps and look for repetition, then remove it. So if you are writing down information and then you or someone else is then entering that information onto a system, you are duplicating the work. Only do it once. Otherwise, you are wasting time. Work out a way to get that information being written straight into the system the first time. If you do this with all of your tasks, you will find loads of time saving. Number 3, automate anything that you can. For example, e-signatures. Someone recently sent me a document to print and sign the other day. I was like, I don't have a printer. I questioned if they have DocuSign or something similar, and they replied that they knew they should, but they don't. Crazy. It makes things so much simpler for your clients and quicker for you. They are also so much more likely to return the signed document that you won't have to keep chasing them. And we all know chasing people takes loads of time.
I will look for you. I will find you.
Another example of automation is invoice capture software. We use Dext and we have suppliers set up to send invoices directly into the system. Where it's a regular invoice of the same amount, you can set it to auto-publish too. If you are still typing purchase invoices into your bookkeeping software, you are mad. It's 2022. Paper should not be a thing.
But real business is done on paper, okay? Write that down.
Number 4, get the right people doing the right things. It's not efficient, nor is it practical, to have the most senior team members training your apprentices. The most senior employees should be working on the most technical work. In Smooth, we have a hierarchy and each person has the next person up training them or helping them. So the accounts assistants train the apprentices and the semi-seniors help the assistants and so on. Questions do not get asked to the client managers except from the account seniors, the next level down. And this is when they have exhausted all other options. If you are a director or manager, do not make yourself available to everyone at all times. Encourage and support your team to help themselves and help each other. Always be available, but to the right people at the right time. And number 5, delegation. This sounds obvious, but it's so common for people to feel like they have to do a task as it's their responsibility. Absolutely not. If I ask someone in my team to do something, I don't necessarily expect them to do it. I expect them to be responsible for getting it done in the most efficient and profitable way. So if some bookkeeping needs doing, I may ask a client manager to get it sorted. but I wouldn't want them doing the work. They would ask an apprentice to do it, whoever is best placed, best skilled and available to get it done. If I receive an email that may only take a second for me to say yes or no, rather than responding quickly, I always consider whether that email needs to come to me at all. If it doesn't absolutely have to be me, I will request someone else deals with it going forwards. All these little time-saving hacks may only save you a few minutes here and there, but overall the impact is huge. By increasing your efficiency, you will increase your capacity to take on new business, making you more profitable. I hope this has been useful. If you've got any ideas on how to save time and be more efficient, pop them in the comment section so everyone can see. See you next time.